This is the Route 66 drive-through in Grants, New Mexico. I'm going to drive through it. Here. There it is, the Route 66, Grants, New Mexico, driving through. Wee. All right. I drove through it. All right, we got it on vid, I hope there. Okay. Well, there's the Grants, the Uranium Miners Building, or the Grants Miners Museum, that's closed due to COVID. It won't reopen until Memorial Day 2021. Let's see what this says here. This caboose was built circa 1937. You can read that if you want. Caboose, blah, 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 blah. Okay, here it is here. We'll walk around the other side where the sun isn't in our eyes, maybe. And come back over here. There, get a better view of it from over here. We're going to climb on it a little bit here. A nice caboose. Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe, ATSF. And there it is. I'm in Grants, New Mexico. I think this is the 23rd of May, 2021. So there we go. There it is. I got a police car on the other side. So let's take a look inside, see what we can see in there. Come on. I can't see much inside because the windows are all in bad shape, but we did do a walk here. So, and we'll walk around the other side. Here's on the bottom here. I'm in the shade, nice little park. And this one here, oh, the glass is the same thing up on the top there. So, not going to be anything great. All right. We got another sign of a drill bit, large diameter, used in New Mexico to drill a 10-foot diameter shaft. Blah, blah, blah. And you can read the rest of that, stop the video. But here's the front of it. Here's the teeth on it. Some big chunky teeth on there, and all different ones, and they all move around probably. And we come back out here, take a look at the whole thing. Here it is, a drill bit. Yeah, coming here close. You can see all of it here. Big chunks of metal, a lot of heavy duty stuff there. All right, and then in a yard here at the museum, you got a couple other things. History Museum, I don't know if that's open, but it's in a cage. And we got this galleon. Galleon road grader, 1915. Boy, that thing looks pretty old there. All metal, every piece of that. All exposed metal here. Let me get around the fence on the other side. Get a better look here, maybe. So there it is. Galleon road grader. You can stop the vid if you want to go down there and read that. This machine was replaced at some point in the 30s and 40s after being damaged in a rollover. This is 1915. Oh boy. There it is there. Okay. And this one here says Case Portable Steam Engine, another 1915. It was a 30 horsepower horse-drawn engine for threshing grain. So the horses pulled it, but it was a steam engine. Why didn't it have its own power? I don't know. But there it is. Hope I can get most of it in view. I have my arm on the other side of the fence here, so I can get a good view of it. So we'll come back and take it on this side over here. See if we can get a little better view. There's the side, the steam valves, and all kind of contraptions. Old piece of wood brake, maybe they had leather on it there, I don't know, down in that area. But okay, there we go.